In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sequences in Apollo.io. A sequence is a guided set of touch points that helps you reach prospects consistently without manual follow-up. Think of it as your repeatable outreach playbook. We'll walk through creating one using a ready-made template, then tailoring it to fit your message and audience. Start by opening Apollo and heading to the sequences area. Look for the option to create a new sequence and click Create Sequence. This opens a setup screen where Apollo offers 3 ways to begin: from a template from scratch or with AI assistance. Starting from a template is perfect when you want a proven structure you can quickly adapt. From scratch gives you full control if you already know exactly how you want the steps arranged. AI assistance can draft an initial flow based on your prompts. For this walkthrough, choose the templates option. You'll see a gallery of pre-built sequences organized by common goals, such as cold outreach or follow-up. Take a moment to skim the summaries and preview the steps. You're looking for a structure that matches your objective and typical sales motion, including the number of touches and the spacing between them. Once you've found a good fit, select the template to open its details, then click Use Template. Apollo will load the sequence into the editor so you can make it your own. This is where the real value happens. Begin by giving the sequence a clear, descriptive name so teammates can recognize when to use it. Then review each step's content. Personalize the subject lines and email copy and check that variables like first name, company, and title are inserted where they add context. Keep the tone consistent with your brand and your audience. If a step feels redundant, tighten it. If a message needs more clarity, add a concise value statement or a relevant proof point. Adjust the timing between the steps to match your sales cycle. Shorter intervals for timely offers, longer for complex deals. Next, confirm the operational details. Ensure the sending window aligns with your prospect's time zones. Verify that links, signatures, and unsubscribed language are correct. Use the preview to confirm that placeholders resolve properly and that formatting looks clean. If your process calls for manual review on certain steps, mark those as tasks instead of automatic sends. When everything looks right, click Activate to turn the sequence on. Activation makes the sequence available for use, and you can still pause or edit it later if you need to refine wording or timing based on performance. That's all it takes to create a sequence in Apollo.io. Start a new sequence, pick how you'd like to build it, choose a template, use it, tailor the content and timing, and then activate. You're ready to scale consistent, high-quality outreach with confidence.